From NBC News, this is Today.
On today's Beauty Head to Toe Beauty Fixes, with so many different products to choose from, it's a challenge to figure out what really works. Self Magazine beauty director Elaine DeFarley is here to give us the inside scoop on products that deliver what they promise at a price you can afford. Good to see you, Elaine. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
I love these lists, and I love that you guys do all the homework for us.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. That's my job. I'm inundated with products every day. I meet with tons of dermatologists and scientists and people developing products, and so it's all about figuring out what works best and why.
Now, did you test it out on your staffers? How did you weed it down?
We tested it out on our staffers. We do a thing called the Self Healthy Beauty Awards every year, so we send out thousands of products to women across America, and they test them for us, so we have some of those winners here today.
All right, let's get to the list then. You start off with the hair, since it's head to toe.
Yeah.
What do you have here?
This is Salon Graphics. It's a heat protecting spray, and the reason why you want to protect your hair is because if you look under a microscope at your hair, it looks like a tree bark, and it's very, very rough. And so what you want to do is smooth the cuticle, which is that rough barky part, and that's what's going to give you shine, because you want your hair to be smooth,
so this
it
will
reflects
lock in
the light.
shine?
Yeah, so it's going to protect your hair from all of the things like curling irons and flat irons,
the stuff we do every day.
blow dryers, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
And it's going to help keep your hair shiny.
Okay, and what about frizz?
And this is a cool curl boosting spray from the same company, Salon Graphics, and it does the same thing, but it does it in a different way, because curls, you want to seal the cuticle, but you want them to be light and bouncy, because you don't want to weigh them down so that they can have that bounce. So that's what this is going to do. It's
and
going
is this
to keep
good on
the bounce.
any type of hair?
Yeah, it's good on any type of hair, especially curly-haired people, to enhance the curls. And then for the straight hair girl that wants a curly look, she can use this with her curling iron to keep it bouncy.
Now let's move on to the skin. This is intriguing.
This is a 5-minute facelift from Dermacell.
What does that mean? I don't believe it. What does that mean?
Well, let's face it. You know, we all want to have tighter skin. We all want to have flawless skin. And this is a great booster. It's got a lot of amino acids in it, and it's got glycolic in it, which is going to help exfoliate. So it's going to help your skin to look smoother, more luminous, more radiant.
And this is a day and night thing?
You can put it on. I love this idea of putting it on in the morning before you start your day, while you're doing, making your breakfast, and then you wipe it off and you put on your makeup. Right. Or at the end of the day, you're getting ready to go out, you take off your makeup, you put this on for a few minutes, then you put on your makeup again, and then you're ready to go. You're all lifted.
Nice, and your skin's so nice
it's
and
sort of
moist.
Like an instant boost.
Nice. And what do you have here for us?
This is these are Spry breath mints, and
these are breath mints. A lot of breath mints.
And we really believe in being beautiful from the inside out. You want your breath to smell good.
Why are these great as opposed to anything else we can find?
These are fantastic because they have xylitol in them, which is found in a lot of fruits and vegetables and has been clinically proven to decrease tooth decay. And what I always like to tell my 6-year-old daughter is, your teeth have to last you your entire life. Your skin renews itself, your hair grows, but your teeth are the same for the rest of your life. So you got to take care of them.
It tastes fruity.
Yeah, it's good. It's really good.
Kissable breath. Okay, next to our bodies.
Okay, this we're calling the sexy bar soap, because
you sold us on the sexy. You had us at sexy.
This is from Olay, and we sent it out to hundreds of women across America to test for our Healthy Beauty Awards, and it won because readers loved it. One woman said her skin was so soft, her husband noticed it and said how delicious she smelled. I mean, when did that ever happen with a bar soap?
With the breath mint and the soap, you got a rockin' weekend.
You are all set.
Okay.
So that's a great bar soap, and it takes care of your body and is pampering too.
Moving on to our nails, manicures. I'm hiding mine because my nails are jacked today,
okay,
but it's important.
First of all, nail polish is coming in every color this season. You can really go the limit. And what's really fun about this is that they're a bargain. They're $1.99, and they're fast and quick drying. So you could buy 5 different shades and fool around with them and experiment. There's all kinds of, we could do a whole segment on the nail.
Yeah, and I love if you can't put these colors on your hands, you can experiment with your toes.
On your toes, and there's tie-dye things that are going on, so you can mix them up.
Let's quickly get to your last 2 items here.
This is from Lancaster, and it's a great self-tanner, and it's toning, and it's hydrating.
Wow.
So it does everything. So it's great for your legs, it's designed for your legs, but I like to use it all over my body, like when you go on vacation.
Will you end up with orange hands with this?
No,
I feel so sorry when people end up like right
You
way?
got to exfoliate your
Okay.
hands. That's the key. Exfoliate your hands and apply. And you can go to self.com for tips on how to do that.
Nice. And last but not least, down to we started with the head, now our toes.
Well, our feet are like our teeth. They take a beating. You know, you're using them every day, and you want them to be soft, and you don't want them to catch on your tights. So this is from Sally Hansen. It's like a pumice in a bottle. So rather than scrubbing, you rub this on your feet. It's like very luxurious, and it exfoliates at the same time.
This is the kind of product your husband will steal.
Yes,
this is the thing that's in the bathroom and everyone's
this
sharing
is your
it.
secret weapon.
I like the list, Elaine. Thank you so much. Great
Thank you
pleasure
so
having
much.
you on. Up next, the class of 2020. Now